today in this video we're going to be back on. This will just be the finals now. This will be the last video of the season 1 of the Empires video of the series. Says this will be the last one. And also this extension. We'll be going. Ooh, spoilers. Okay. So we're now back from where we left off from last time. And this is, you know, the world as it used to be, like this like little divided area here, these other areas, but the war now resurfaces again. War starts again. So yeah, the countries that actually didn't have any empires will actually not be affected, although they might be because it's about to get destroyed anyways. Oh, spoilers. Okay. I'm not even gonna pronounce this. Iran. Turkey. See, it's mostly neutral, just like in real life. They're neutral, but yeah. When we redraw these borders, these borders were already screwed up from me doing the last mapping video. Okay, when I'm back, I have to get to the welfare. Now, the war. Yeah. Russia decides to choose. I was actually doing a little bit of stuff. So yeah. Russia here. Oh, it should not be that color. This is only. Okay, here. They have a lot of bad. Such as Kazakhstan, these little countries. What delete? Countries that do not have empires. These are technically empires of their own, but yeah. They go different. Now we have. These are actually different ideologies now. Yeah. We're going on more communist. We'll turn. The other ones are just simply a part of the empire. So yeah. They can be. So, if it looks like this is what I chose. But there's also a bit of something happening. So I'm just gonna call it, so just see in a second. Okay, that seems about good enough. So that took me a good amount of moment. Okay, finally onto them. So southern Italy here. A push instantly begins. This sounds like light. But yeah, who can win? It's gonna go from relatively light to nuclear bombs. I'm just gonna be saying that, but yes. A lot of countries are in the red because they have just switched ideologies now. Republic of China or Taiwan. Taiwan is actually independent now. I didn't say that because yes, country removal. Yay. Okay, the push begins from here. It includes other countries. The reason why I didn't change Serbia here is because I'm not even gonna touch that and leave it the way it is. So yeah. Now a sort of setback from Egypt here. This is sort of similar, this is sort of realistic. I said the Ottomans are gonna be doing, I wanna just call it Ottomans, but yeah. I would just want to call it the Ottomans, so yeah. So now push to pyramids, and yeah. Basically, the British in Africa are now screwed. Yes. Oh, I forgot that. Well, technically, Germany's empire no longer exists. So these are now their own countries. Yay. These are actually their own countries now. I'm just gonna leave them the way it is. Although I might actually change it. Never mind. Okay. I'm gonna push down to the south here. Push to the west here. The border's gonna get screwed over, but it doesn't really matter because it's only just 2 layers for this map. You know, move down to the Nile. And stops. So now Polish troops. I never actually said that before. But they now begin 7 days for 7 days to the Rhine River. Yes, that old project. We're gonna be doing that now. So yeah, instantly Austria. Vienna gets captured instantly. Or I think it's probably that Vienna is owned by Germany now. Or I guess Vienna is a if is it oh Vienna is actually in this alternate scenario. We're just gonna pretend that Vienna in this scenario is actually, you know, walled off because, you know, outside of Vienna it's just Germany. I guess it's just a little area that, yeah, the capital gets captured and it surrenders instantly because it doesn't have powerful in this countries that don't actually have empires. They're actually weaker in real life. So yeah, Europe's pretty messed up right now. Gonna leave them out for that. Asia. Since what happened in a few videos, is that of course is Taiwan. We should say Taiwan. West Taiwan is actually not West Taiwan. This is West Taiwan, and this is, well, it's probably just a northern north Taiwan. Yes, I'm just gonna call it that. Big push here. Actually, their capital is Wuhan, China. If you know what happened there back then just tell me because I don't know. That's a joke. I actually do know what's happening there. So yeah, push from here. The borders definitely got screwed last time. They definitely got screwed. Okay, pushing here. And North Korea. How do we do this? The first nuclear bomb launch actually happens. Since the red team does it first, or yeah, South is gonna get wiped out. California gets bombarded in a crater here. There's no left. So technically, this right here is now dissolved area. Where the part so that area actually gets wiped out now. Nice. Why is it? Okay. Now this is technically the radiation. Why is it doing that? Okay, maybe. Okay. It technically wiped out a lot of America. Wiped out so much. This nuclear bomb was sent by Kim Jong-un. So yeah. Not sponsored, by the way. Whoa, that's so big. Pushing linked. And yeah, so a launch part of right here. So this right here, basically, yeah. Now back then they actually helped these out, but they switched the idea. These two are technically not friends, they're enemies, but they're on the exact same thing in their like force. What's just like be friends, even if they're not. They're basically like that. But I'm not gonna laugh this time. It's not even fun, but you just know we're friends. But there's still a lot of remaining areas here. It kind of looks like a face to me. I ended up with a face. Okay. So yeah. Nuked here because the color is not displaying here. Nuked. First nukes ever sent. Nice. I probably shouldn't. But they do a target nuke on the leader of this army. Actually, two of them. Bigger than the Tsar bomb. Yes, it is. So yeah, they're just gonna target this over here. And click this, the wall. I represent it with the water because, you know, it's just a whole road. Boom, boom. Many craters are created. It kind of sounded similar to that. But anyways, radioactive. If it's white, the range of these are actually pretty big. It actually hurt a lot of these countries. This actually will hurt more than one country. Oh, I just cleared it. So yeah, about there. The borders will be destroyed, but yeah. Yeah, massive. Yeah. There's a bunch of holes now on the planet. And I think, since this is all radioactive, you're not going to be able to push that much. So yeah, stalemate now. They all surrender. But North, they've just managed to access all the bombs and factories now. You can see it on the screen. Glorious. Well, not really. It's not glorious, but you know what I mean. Okay. These are now slowly being occupied since these areas are now surrendered. Or at least some of the non-radioactive areas. So the Chinese army is still present, although they get wiped out from the face of the earth. Wuhan, this area. But yeah, most of it is completely destroyed, except for these survivors here. Yeah. So the capital gets stranded. Now, bombs are gonna be used again for this time. A counter bomb is launched. It really hurts me to destroy this map because it's old. It's a very old map. I've been using it. But it really hurts me to destroy this. Okay, wait, where is it? Okay. Did disappear? Okay, let's hear this. So you're gonna set it to the ocean color, the default. Don't ask me why is it the ocean. Boom. Actually, two were launched. Down over here. Down there. Oh, that actually did split. Eraser. Yeah. So basically, all of it is not like that. Basically, a lot of people are gonna get dead. I mean, this is even worse than the pandemic, than the Black Death. Yeah, that seems about good enough. Okay. Most of the other unaffected countries get wiped out instantly off the face of the earth. And there we go. Destroyed. These bombs are actually very big. So, yeah. The push. Really, they're just using nuclear bombs. So it doesn't even matter because we're on to the stage of that. They're gonna do a counter bomb again. As always. This is an even bigger bomb. And actually this, whoa. I guess that's too big, that's like an asteroid. Whoa. That's gonna leave craters there forever. So yeah. They even accidentally bombed some parts. Accidental dropping, there's some counter ones even there. But yeah. Since they know these are technically allies, but they're join. Bomb. Loads of bombs are being dropped. Actually, craters. There are massive craters everywhere. And this actually led to the creation of rivers. Toxic rivers. Yay. Okay, I probably shouldn't have said that, but oh well. Yeah, massive cracks form on the earth, and rain washes them over, so they get filled with water. And yes, these are actually sometimes connected, even. These are basically just giant oceans at this point. Well, not really, but I just got a bit bored. I'm too lazy to actually draw these, so yeah. Put it here, and yeah. I'm just gonna destroy everything here. This is a relatively quick one, but didn't erase the entire borders, and they probably won't survive this anyway because oh, America has just been destroyed. Oh wait, they're still there to fight. Nice try, humans. Basically, the entire world at this point is almost, but well, that's about it because there are only a few pockets of survival left in this entire world. I actually did draw. I saw some missing pockets. I'm just gonna leave it off here. And basically, almost the entire world is destroyed except for, you guessed it, my house. And I'm not gonna leave it to you where it is, but so yeah, privacy concern there. So yeah, Portugal didn't die. Rivers form, for some reason cracks happen. I mean, this is not realistic on what would happen, but you know what? They now bring toxic water to the areas now. New rivers form, cracks, earthquakes, giant earthquakes form here and there. Sometimes they even split entire continents at this point, bringing tasty uranium in the water. Explosions, combustions happen in the water. Oh, so great. No, not really. So more like that. Oh, it looks about what we have done. People are being like, what we have done to the earth. But the only place that didn't get targeted, just like in Plague Inc., is Greenland. Yay, you have survived. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? I just forgot, but these rivers are actually just. But anyways, we're just gonna clear everything here. People now launch. The world now launches rockets, and only a few remaining survivors left. Some in Japan, and these are the only people that are actually living on the Earth. So, respect for the people, I guess, that are living on these. Obviously, it's a pretty terrible place to live. Like, why are you gonna even live on this planet if it's all destroyed now? It's not a pleasant place to live. The most pleasant place to live is just underground. If the underground still exists, because massive cracks form. Every continent becomes fragmented. Not even my country survives. And there we go. Now slowly the water gets intoxicated, which is not good for human life, you mean? Yeah. So now, I'm just gonna change up the colors, and here we go. What? What is okay? That's not pressing there. I got a little scared there. But the water turns into a really weird color. Yes, you mean by that? Everything. Every water placed on here, even dams, honestly, have not been infected with some sort of liquid. Now, this looks very gross, but you know what I mean. Okay, here. The world is entirely destroyed now. If you look at it from space, oh, humans. And how will they survive here? Honestly, I don't even know what's gonna happen. But the Russian settlers now, the forests are basically destroyed now. Nothing survives on this planet except for these people. And actually, this little thing It actually cools it down, everything. So yes, everything's cold, desolate, and yeah. Basically, the loss of the season 1. I like how it's turned out. But water treatment plants are actually being organized throughout here. Water treatment plants are organized, and if we see here, oh god, let me press this. You can actually see some of the old water came back. Nice, but it's still raining toxic acid, so I guess I wouldn't be that impressed. Some areas get flooded, but yeah. Japan actually has 3 major islands, which is... There's still typhoons in this, but mostly there will be less typhoons, and they're probably just gonna give acid to you. Oh, wait. It's not letting me. Okay. Whoa. Don't make them fresh. Okay. I don't want to do that. Here, this is fresh. Okay. That right there. That is the clean water, the restored areas of the earth. So how are they going to be able to restore this in the near future? That's still an unknown idea. I love how Australia is technically an X right now. I didn't pay attention to this. I'm not even make an empire on this. That's most likely people are dead. You're dead. I'm probably on Mars right now. If this were to be real. Don't take this too seriously. I just being having a little funny here. So yeah, this is about the remnants and what is going to be here. Water treatment plants, the clean water. Yeah, there's still a lot of radiation. You gotta clean thousands of kilometers of liquid, you know what, but liquid acid, but yeah. And actually here, surprise thing is that one of the craters of the nuclear bomb, this actually brought rain here. They're actually fresh water now. They're now no longer toxic, which is good. But the land is still toxic and you might not want to touch it. Although there are chassis still. Maybe these are just, the remnants of stuff, but I'm just gonna do a little bit of erasing on this one. But, does it let me? Does it let me do that? Oh, over here. So yeah. So yeah. Is it bugging out? No, thank you. Okay. The device. Oh, not the device. Okay. This world, the Earth is now completely screwed. So I guess what would happen? These people do not want to go to Mars, and the tickets. According to Elon Musk on Twitter, let's actually pretend that is just on this world. The CEO, he doesn't want to be the CEO anymore. He's gonna give it up to the owner of Amazon, Jeff Bezos. Yes, they wanna give it up to him. So now, basically destroyed